Hey divas, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Man, and today's video is an eyeshadow look for people who wear glasses like myself. Yes, I'm blind as a bat, so if you're interested in this look, continue to watch. Okay, so we're gonna go in the Morphexjaclynhill palette, and we're gonna use this light brown skin tone color, and we're gonna put that in our crease. We're using this as a transition color, using windshield wiper motions back and forth, getting that color in there. And next we're gonna go into this more of a dark brown coffee color, and we're going to pop that into the crease. And of course, blending it out using windshield wiper motions and just building it up to the intensity that I want it to be. Eyeshadow base, of course. After that, we're gonna go into the shimmery champagne color, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop that on our eyelid in the innermost 3/4 corner of our eye. Just 3/4 the way. And then the next color we're gonna go in is like bronzy, dark brown, shimmery color. We're just gonna pop that on the very end of our eyelid. And we're going to pat to make sure that it sticks on the base. And we're going to use that same blending brush that we used just to blend those two, the champagne color and the dark shimmery color together. No harsh lines, divas. And we're going to take this orangey color, and we're just going to go ahead and blend out that dark chocolatey coffee color. Windshield wiper motions, blending that together seamlessly. I love a dark smoky look for glasses because it just helps because you know when you're wearing glasses, your eyes are pretty much covered, so you need something to pop, you know, so it can still show. Oh, I'm using the L'Oreal lash primer, my fave go-to. It works miracles in L'Oreal can't even say it, voluminous mascara, my all-time favorite mascara. I love it, I love it, I love it. No need for lashes when you're wearing glasses. Can't speak. And I am putting a black eyeliner in my waterline. And I'm going to use another smoky brown color to smoke out the bottom of my lash line. Of course, trying to make colors pop since, once again, the glasses are covering up the eyes. We're going to put some mascara on those bottom lashes. I already lined my lips with a brown lip liner as always, and I'm going to use Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Clueless. And we're gonna pop that on them lips. I love this color. And then we're going to top it off with some NYX Butter Gloss after this. There you go, the NYX Butter Gloss to add a little bit shine. And I believe this is the color Eclair. And there you have it, divas, the complete look. As you see, my colors are kind of popping through my glasses. And thank you so much for watching.